So a few days ago, I got a message from my fan asking me if I could do a challenge where I basically have to play Murder Mystery 2, but every time I die, I'll have to cut open my favorite squishy. I didn't actually want to make this challenge, but once I noticed it has 1,000 likes on it, I fear we'll have to accept it. So make sure to smash that like button if you feel bad for my squishies. So, okay, I'm actually taking this challenge quite seriously, so I'll try to find a server without any bots. And the first squishy, by the way, that we'll probably have to cut if I'm gonna die, that's literally my favorite squishy so far, and it's so huge. Let me just showcase you how it sounds. Oh. I think this server quite works for us because I don't see any bots in it, so let's go and join. If anyone tries to kill me right now, I'm actually gonna kill him in real life. I'm not kidding right now, it's so hard. Alright guys, I'm happy to announce that we are now official on the server. Oh, and this guy is talking to me already. He's saying, "Oh, I don't speak that language, sir. I'm so sorry." I think we gotta choose the least dying map ever, so I feel like we're gonna choose house 2. Is it easy to survive a house 2? Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite map so far in Murder Mystery 2. Frick, I'm innocent. It's quite hard to survive as an innocent, but my outfit is so cutesy by now. And it's so small, it's such a baby. So I think I should hide somewhere. Am I tripping or I heard someone talking? Oh, they're talking. What is up, guys? Oh! This is not supposed to happen so quick. Well, since the challenge is actually accepted, I have to cut it. I'm glad the sheriff saved the day though. And also, ayo, what kind of girl does he have on his shoulder? Well, guys, I hope you see my camera right now because we're about to cut that squishy open. Also, I freaking love the squishy. I'm not ready to cut it. Say bye-bye to this peach squishy. I also quite prepared for this challenge because I'm not trying to get messy. I got a container where I'll be cutting this stuff in. And I also got some old ass scissors. I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to show that on camera. And I also got a bag just in case because this is about to get messy. Alright guys, we got a squishy. To the person who offered me this challenge, you are sick. And to the people who supported him by liking his comment, you guys also are sick. Alright, we're about to cut it. We're about to cut it. I'm not gonna squish it because I kind of feel bad. Okay, why am I cutting it like that? Okay, let's go. Oh, guys, you see that? Wait, it wasn't that bad. I thought it was gonna be like but the first things I noticed, it became drippy. Why there's like a spot inside of it. It also has a weird smell to it, which I kind of expected, but I guess I'll have to cut it a bit more open so we could get like a liquid out of it, right? Oh frick. Wait, this is the worst thing ever I ever saw in my life. Oh my freaking god. Okay, it smells so bad. Should I try to coat? Let's just get a liquid out of it. Ew! Ew! What the heck? No! Enough! What? Ew! Bro, why it looks like a poop or something like... Okay, should I try to cut it again a little bit more? Bro, and how the heck am I murderer? Never mind. I'm murdering the squishy instead. Oh my gosh. Wait, no, I'm actually feeling like I'm sick. I'm feeling like Flamingo cutting those Roblox YouTubers toys. If you know, you know. Ew. Bro, I feel like I murdered the sushi out of it. Okay, should we try to get it again? Oh! I've never felt any worse. So I don't know what kind of stuff does it have, but it's like, I'm not gonna say what it looks like, but it genuinely looks like an ice cream, but I'm not gonna lick it or anything like that. I actually feel like someone just have murdered it and killed those squishy. I think we're gonna just say goodbye to the squishy and drop it to the trash freaking can. So I'm currently thinking what kind of squishy should I cut next. I have this butter squishy that I think somebody have ate. I promise guys, I'm not eating those squishies. It's probably my sister's, but it's not me. Trust. And the next squishy I have is this one. It says like a soap squeeze. It also says try me. And I think this squishy is crunchy. So this doesn't count. You know guys, this doesn't count because I was showcasing squishy as I haven't really played. I don't care that you shot me. I think I should showcase you the sounds of it so we could decide which I should cut first and then the later. Oh frick. So this is, by the way, the soap squishy that we have. Let's hear the sound. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is so satisfying. gonna check. It has some beads inside of it. Well, I don't even know what that is. But anyways, this is the soap sushi that we have. And the next one is butter sushi, the one that someone ate. This is how it sounds. I hope you guys can hear how it sounds. But I think it doesn't even sound as anything. So I'ma think we should go with butter sushi because it's kind of like an easy option for us. And I'll keep this soap sushi till the end of this video because as I know, it probably have interesting stuff inside of it, which might be also rainbow blue. Like it's not the same plain white as it was inside of the other sushi before. Okay, I'm going back to the game. So far, I haven't heard anyone getting killed. I think I should probably open this door. Am I tripping or something? Because I remember before that, a few years ago, you could get inside of this bank storage. Okay, I hear people getting killed and I don't want to get killed. So I think I should probably try to hide. Oh, I see the murder. It's right over there and it's plain as heck. You know what? I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, it's still killing people. I'm trying to hide because I'm not trying to die. I don't want to cut open another squishy butter one. If you guys forgot how it looks like, someone chopped off it. This mirror is literally sick. And the girl, do you guys see? They're teaming up with Sheriff. Oh my gosh. Y'all are so sick for teaming up. Specifically when I have this challenge on. Please, Sheriff. Oh my gosh. Thanks God. Thanks God. Thanks God. Thanks God. You're the goddess girl. Please let me smell your toes or something like. I don't know. How could I say to her thank you? Because without her help, I could have lost so squishy. Oh frick. I'm so sorry guys. I think I just dropped it. Okay, let's keep going and then I guess. Also, what is that for? Hello? Why the cow looks like this? I think it looks kind of suspicious. Also guys, let me know down so far. Do you like my new fit? I just love this kitty so much. Okay, the next round starts. I wish I would have been like a sheriff. So once I'm sheriff, at least I have a gun. You know, I could fight. First things of all, I think we should hide somewhere so we're not getting killed. Like you see, I can see the other spot and this one too. Oh my gosh, I think that boy that was yellow is the murderer. The sheriff is right over there. Please, sheriff, save the day. Oh my gosh, no, she's moving. Girl, she's moving. What are you moving for? Oh my gosh, she's literally over there. I think I should run out of here. I'm getting out of here. Oh, she's my fan. Girl, I'm not trying to get killed when the murderer is literally right there. Bro, no, she's coming for us. He's coming for us. He's coming for us. Run! Run for your life, kitty. Oh my gosh, sheriff, please. You know what? I'll be next to sheriff. At least she has a gun. She probably don't have any aim, but she has a gun. No. Come on, sheriff, do something. Idiot with a gun, do something. No, he came from next. Who is that girl? Why are you standing over here all alone, Betty? Bro, I'm about to take this gun. If he's not coming to my side, I'm about to take it. Frick him. Yeah. Did I take it? Yeah, guys, I have the gun. Come on, Betty. Yay! It's the same color as my butter squishy. Yo! No shade to the gun. I'm just shading the rolls. You know, my goal is try not to die, so I made it perfectly. I made it well. Okay. Oh, we have the code name here. I haven't played on this map, but I feel like I should have voted because I haven't played on it. So the chance of me dying on this specific map is super high because I don't know anything about it. Okay. Dude, what language do you speak?
Ah, on est d'accord que le chat est trop mignon.
Am I tripping? But he sounds so French. French is such a beautiful language. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, English is also a beautiful language. Okay, let's go. Oh, frick. Why there's so many people following me? Like, bro, chill the frick out. I'm glad that I'm the same color as the floor, so it's gonna be like quite hard for me to find. Also, I wanna hide in this bathroom over here. And who peed in here? Why is it like a color? Girl, did you do that? Oh my gosh. Get out of my face. Oh. Sisters, we won? Hey guys, what language do you speak? What language?
Oui, mais il est trop mignon.
Brother, what language do you speak?
Aruni.
Yes, it's me, Aruntik. What language do you speak?
You're cute.
What? Bulgarian language.
Non, lâche ça.
French? You guys, Paris? France? Guys, do you speak Paris? I'm actually from United States. What about you?
Friends.
You French? Wow! That's so cool! Are you happy to be in Paris? Oui.
Ouais, so cute skin.
Oh, thank you. You like my outfit? I like the pajama dogs that you have. Also, guys, look at his outfit. He looks so drippy. He's like, shh. Let's go. Let's go, my French friends. I just heard murderer somewhere. No! She's literally trying to kill me, bro. No! You guys, you left me alone. All alone, bro. What? No. Okay. No. This is literally my death. Or no. No, it is. I heard those guys crying because I died. Well, since they cried, let's go and cut the squishy, y'all. I'm interested to cut it, actually, guys. I'm not really sure if get it or not. That's gonna be interesting because I feel like nobody have ever cut butter squishy before, right? So let's go and do that. Should I do it in the middle? Yeah, let's do it in the middle. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bro, what the heck is that? Am I tripping? It looks like a foam. What? Now instead of one squishy, I got two squishy. Guys, I caught butter squishy. Are you happy for me? Okay, no response. I think those people kind of recognize me because I have a lot of baddie girls all around me. If you guys are French baddies, this is for you. Okay, never mind. Look at that. I think that's so cute. I kind of love the fact that we cut it. Now instead of one, I have two. Should I try to cut it again to maybe make it like instead of 2, 4? Guys, we're about to cut it. Guys, see that? Look at that. Instead of one squishy, I got 3 squishies. They're so cute, guys. They're like small squishies. You know what? I'm happy that I cut this squishy. Wait, let me cut it again. So I can have 4 squishies. Oh, got it. Look at that. Also, fun fact, the part that I cut it on is like even more squishier and softer. Also, I'm a sharer. Let me know, guys, if you think I've made a right decision cutting the butter squishy. I think I definitely did. And it smells so nice too. You know, I'm gonna keep them. So guys, I'm right now sheriff. I think I should not lose this opportunity. And why am I holding a gun downward? I'm glad I think shoot with it, but it's literally pointing downwards. You know what? I think I should open the door. Also, next squishy that we are about to cut. Oh my gosh. I think that doesn't count. I didn't even show the squishy yet. I think it's gonna, guys, it's not gonna be fair if I'm gonna cut it right now because the round haven't started yet. Bro, literally the kitten got killed. They're so sick for killing a kitten.
I saw it, and the worst, it's because it's my bro.
Yeah, oh, your bro killed me? Oh my god. Anyways, before the next round starts, I think I should showcase you the squishy one more time. Look at it. Squishable, cool, sounds beautiful. That's so cool, nonchalant. And before we're gonna start playing, I want to guys showcase you what I think could be inside of the squishy because it's not the same one as it was before. So guys, as I heard on TikTok, most of the squishies that are crunchy have this interesting liquid inside of it. Look at that. Look at that. That looks like an ice cream. But this is what makes the squishy sound so cool. See? They put it inside and then they get a squishy. That's crunchy. Look, I know it's butter, but it doesn't matter. Look. That looks so satisfying. If I will have an ice cream instead of the squishy, I'm about to pass the freak out because the texture is literally the same. I mean, it doesn't really look beautiful, but I'm interested to cut it open because what's about to happen is crazy. I actually can't wait to become a murderer, maybe specifically for this round to see if I'm gonna die or not, but that's fire. All my French friends, I love y'all so much. Also, I wanna try to play the beach resort map. Okay, guys, the round is starting. This loading map. Hey. Also, I love the new lobby of Murder Mystery 2. Like, wow, it's giving luxurious. It's giving 4 seasons. Okay, I'm innocent. Brother! I wanna be innocent. I'm sad. You know what? I could hide in here. If this girl is not murder, literally, leave me alone. Blondie, leave me alone. Oh, we won! Sisters, we won! I'm down to try to play on this map again, but not as murder. Because I think if I'm gonna be a murderer on a beach map, which I genuinely don't have any idea on, I'm dying. I'm literally getting shot in like a few seconds. Also, what the heck? We could go upstairs? What? And you have a pool in here. I had no idea about that. Wait, let me slide that right. Whoa! This is the new meta, guys. I'm obsessed. I'm in love with the new Murder Mystery 2. Summer updates, the best one so far. Guys, I want to end this challenge so bad because I want to poop, like, no jokes. Okay. But why the heck am I innocent? Well, let's just enjoy the squishy. The last time before he's getting cut. Why are you looking at me like that, girl? Leave me alone. Can I go under this table? Wait, I could. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm gonna stay in here. I think people can't notice me, right? Oh, no, they could. But I don't want to get killed, so I'm gonna stay in here. Yeah, guys, I'm under the table, so I'm not getting killed. Wait, don't tell her to kill me. Dude, don't laugh. If you're actually getting me killed, we're not French friends anymore. Yeah, I'll take it as a yes.
Non, par contre, là, on vit dans la promiscuité.
Looks like he's like a cat. Like, meow, 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 meow. It sounds the same for me. Like, he sounds like a cat. I use it as compliment. I'm not trying to put him down. Also, guys, how does this girl get this knife? That looks so beautiful. I love MM2. I need that gun. Okay, round is about to start. I want to choose. Yeah, let's go with house. If I'm getting murder on this map, I'm easily winning. I play Pokemon Go every day. Please don't let me lose this squishy. Bro! Literally me being innocent again is so sad. You know what? I'm going under the table again. Oh wait, how can I get inside of it? I hope you guys are not mad for me hiding under the table. I'm not really sure if this is against the rules, but I just noticed that my avatar could do that and her couldn't. Oh, we won again. I think the universe don't want me to cut the squishy. We're choosing factory map now. Please tell me I've been murdered. I'm glad. I'm glad. Wait, guys, that's perfect. I'm a murderer now. You know what? I'm killing the French guy, the least one, because I kind of liked him as a person. Bro, let me kill this girl. Bro, let me shot her. Okay, first girl down. I'm gonna go inside and then try to kill somebody. You girl also dying. Yeah, because I'm not trying to get shot right now. So let's go under here. Wait, if I'm gonna go here, am I gonna go outside? No, I don't want to go outside yet. Because outside is where the most people are. So it will be better if we kept inside. We gotta use the strategic. Gotta be strategic. Dude, no! Literally, the Sigma guy. I knew he hates me. I knew that. Freak you, Sigma guy. Freak you. Because of you, we have to cut the squishy open. You see my French friend? Yes, that was me. That was me. He killed me. I don't hear him. Okay, I think he's probably saying sorry and in French, which you kind of understand. Since I guys promised, we're about to cut the squishy right now. Okay, never mind. Even though I'm innocent, I don't care. I gotta open this bag all over again. This one, by the way. It's not so bad. So let's go and cut the squishy open to see what's inside of it. Say goodbye. Last squish. Okay, guys, get ready. Oh my god, what the heck? You guys see that? I got some bit. I'm not really sure if you guys could see that, but this is sick and it's beautiful. It's like sunshine, if I can call it, like in a state of sun. You know what? I'll try to cut it a bit more so we could see what's inside of it. But it's gooey. It's really gooey. Okay, I think I cut it enough. Are you ready, guys? I'm about to get it out. Oh my gosh. Oh the heck, what? Oh my gosh. Wait, I know notice it's white and it has like tons of beads inside of it. Some of them are like cute color, but I'm not really sure. Do you guys think I should touch it? Let's go touch it, I guess. Ew, it's like, you know what it's like? It's like the glue, but it's kind of fun to see it. Let's try to put it inside of it. Ew, brother, ew. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys see that? Bro, that's sick. You know what? I'm gonna keep it this way. I could show you what's inside of this trash can. Just for your reference, you know. And I think this is gonna be the end because I don't want to touch this thing anymore. I'm not really sure if I'm even supposed to touch it. So that's why I'm gonna be taking every single stuff that I just cut. Butter squishy, the peach squishy. And I'll have to... Oh my gosh. One of it just fell off. And I'll have to put it inside of the bag. See it? Boom. And we're done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because I actually lost 3 squishies because of this video and because of your guys' comments. But I'm happy to try on this challenge now. At least I know what's inside of this squishies. And let me know, guys, down in the comments if you have any ideas for my next videos. Okay chat, I'm in the game already and I'll be playing on a public server, and sadly I have no rights to use this carpet, to use the slab, and to use the huge slab. Maybe it's gonna work out somehow. So okay, let's go. Oh, this girl knows me. I just started. Yo! Oh my god. I have no idea how to exactly play it. Oh! I already fell! Bro, what? I guess my lessons with Seahawk and Real Rosa didn't help me at all. Okay, I just got the chef lock. We gotta try again. Because everyone did that game already. Everyone made it to the end. Unless me. The uwucutesingle itself, bro. Ah, I know those levels already. Like, I've played it so many times. And I think I also know how to wall hop. Okay chat, I hope there will be no hackers, nothing on that trolling level. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's go. No! I'm gonna make that without the carpet, without flying, and without enemies. Oh god. Why is it so hard? I'm on a dumb level again, and some girl already made that, so maybe if I'll try it, it's gonna work. No! No! This is so unfair. Now I feel you guys. This is hard. Okay, if anyone gonna try to stop me, yes, girl, you're so good. Thank you so much, Nutella. You're the best girl ever. Okay, the next levels are coming. I have no idea what was behind that, so maybe we're gonna try. Oop. Oh, I actually know how those work. No! No! Oh my god! Damn, chat, this is so crazy. Okay, let's go. Ooh. 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 And the last one? Ooh! Yes, we made that! Happy! Ooh, I have no idea what's gonna be now. Gotta go up. Gotta see what will be. Oh, I'm so curious. I like the bubbles. Ooh, the rainbow? I haven't. No! No! Why am I falling at the random times? Like, bro? Oh my god, I'm here again. These levels are getting me so mad. So how are you doing that? Oh, he's just randomly jumping with the chef log. Maybe it's gonna work out for me. Oh, he believes in me. Hi, Dark. Yay, we did it! Oh, let's say something in Korean. I don't know. Let's go, chat. I'm in love with those levels. How did I die? Okay, well, I see the dark dude here. He's there. I have to go follow him. Please don't die, Arujan. Okay, well, I'm there again. Let's try. Go on. Go on. Go on. Yeah. Never give up. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I'm so good. Arujan? Okay, well, I'm good. I'm good. We're good. Oh, the dark dude is here. Oh, he asked me if I should eye him. Guys, comment down below if I should eye him or not. What are you doing? Okay. We did that. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Good job, boy. What is that? Why am I randomly jumping? Oh, I haven't seen those parts. And this level matches my outfit so much. Oh, he says something again. Hi. Okay, let's go, Dark. Oh, it also disappears? Come on, bro. I'm waiting for you. Oh, oh. Oh, both of them did that. Yay. Let's go, chat. Okay, we're back again. Oh, he asked me if I can add him. Okay, Dark, please wait. We gotta make this until the end and I'll add you. I promise. Ooh, is it ice? Why am I spinning? I love that. Ooh. How are we going? Oh, Dark is helping me. Oh my god, what happened to this bacon? Why he's crying? Missing. Oh, don't cry, baby. Sad no. Is there anything gonna be wrong? Like, oh, do I have to wahab? Okay, wahab, wahab, wahab. Oh, wahab, wahab, wahab. Yes, wahab works. How many levels are left? Guys, we're already at the end, bro. What? Bro. Oh my god. This is hard. Oh, this stuff disappears too, girl. Please, please don't make me sad. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What? Girl, how am I going to do that? Oh, the dark is here. He is waiting for me. Okay, I'll make it. Ah! Oh. I was so nervous because what if I'm gonna die? Okay, it's fine. I'm making it. Uh-oh. Back again. Oh, the dark guy just left me. I'll have a depression. Now, please don't fall and just make it to the end. This is easy. What the hell? Why this game is so hard? Okay, maybe if I'm gonna sing I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. This is gonna help me so much. Okay. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They want me. Oh. Thank you so much. Who's the singer of this song? Wait, is that a chill, guys? Ooh, I love this game. It's so new. This thing is thick. I have no idea how I'm gonna make it. Ooh. And I also died. Bro, what? Guys, I got so tired and I hope you all won't judge me if I'm gonna use a carpet for that level. Only for that level with this chill, guys. Hope it's gonna be okay. Alright? Alright? Okay, let's go. Oh my god, I'm so sorry to everyone who's watching this. How did... Why is not flying anymore? Bro, what? Okay, after so many hours, I'm back here again. And somehow, it's gonna work out. Yeah, my little chill guys. The thick thing. Whew, Sigma, Sigma. Whew, Sigma too much. Yes. Oh my god, so sorry. Okay, this... Oh, oh. Yeah, good job. Chat, are we at the end? It says something. I think it's probably saying congratulations or something. Yes. Oh my god, yes. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, chat. Oh, the thing disappeared. No! I'm not playing this game anymore. I'm not playing it. I'm not. I have no other words other than saying that I'm so tired. My brain cells are dying. Okay, please don't die. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. What is hard mode? Bro? I'm not gonna make that. I'd rather go this way instead. But how am I gonna guess which one is right? Do we have a tap to walk? Click to move, yeah. Ooh, it did work! Easy, easy, easy. I'm such a hacker. Use that hack, guys. Default keyboard. I have no other words. Okay, back again. The end is right there. Me is right here. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that though? How am I gonna make that? Breathe. 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 Oh my god. Breathe. Yes! 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 I got it! I got it! I got it! Oh my god. Yes, we sat down here as an actual winner. Keep your chasing dreams, guys. Hey guys, today I'll be playing the Trolls Dipping Tower, but I'll be eating the hot spicy ramen every time I die. Bro, they look so good. Like, oh my god. Yo. Oh look, this is the ramen that I got. It's called fried ramen, I guess so. Basically, it's carbonara, cheese, and chicken, and also it says hot spicy. I'm gonna actually go and eat the hottest ramen in the world. Am I gonna be cooked? Yes. So well, I just joined this game. I already want to die because I want to try those spicy noodles so bad. Okay. Well, oh my god. The smell of the ramen is so good. Can I show you the ramen though? Like, oh my god, I can play like that. Anyways, okay, well, we gotta go. And I hope I won't die. Oh my god. Oh my god. Every time I fall, I have to eat those spicy noodles. Whoa! Oh. Well, I think I just fell off and it's time to try them. I'm so curious on how it's gonna taste like. Here is the noodles. Oh my god, I think I had to remove my hair just in case, you know. And I also got the Coke. Bismillah. Oh, I hope it's not that spicy because I'm so hungry. Oh my god, this is so tasty, bro. Damn. Oh my god, this is spicy. Bro, my eyes. They're so hot. Oh god. I think I have to drink the Coke now. At first they were fine, but when I tried them, the spiciness started to kick in. Anyways, we're gonna try one more time. I wanna try them again because they're so tasty, bro. Okay, we're doing kinda good. I also got recognized already, like, so crazy. Those people have no idea that I'm playing and I'm eating the ramen. Ooh, my parkour is not that bad. I'm quite pro. Oh, please don't fall off. I still feel the spicy, bro. It's been like a few minutes already. Oh, wait, I'm going to the troll level. Imagine me falling like 10 times on it. Like, that's so crazy. Oh, I'm in. It also says something in Korean. I guess my ramen is also from Korea. Well, looking at bro. Okay, well, please don't troll me. Oh, yes, we did it. Thank you so much, Bacon. Oh, he's a big fan. Shout out to you. Oh, we gotta go now. Since, oh my god. Oh my god, I just fell off. Okay, since I fell off, it's time to eat them again. I hope they won't be that spicy. I'll also try to get the soup. Please, just leave me the ramen. Damn, it's so good, bro. I think I'm gonna eat the other one more. It's time to play again. So many people around me, bro. What? Guys, I'll give you ramen soon. Don't worry me. Don't worry, babes. I'm on the pink level again. I hope I won't die like right now because I want to go to the ends right now. Okay, I wanna make it real good. Oh wait, I feel like I became even better at parkour, so yeah, it's kind of good. Oh, go up. Yeah, we're good, chat. Now it's time for banana level. Girl, do you love bananas? I'm in love with bananas. Okay, we're good. Oh, I see the troller. The troller is right here. Troller alert. No! I knew that, okay? Oh, damn, guys, you see that? So good. This life is a dream. You know, the spiciness is like really spicy, but at the same time, it's so good. I have to make this tower until the end, okay? I don't care about the trollers. I don't care about nothing. I'm gonna make it to the end. Again. Do it again. Okay, I'm on that troller level again. Oh, he don't care. Yes, bro! I think I got too mad. Mad because of a Roblox kid. Anyways. Perfect. It is so spicy already, but I'm on that level again. I see the troller. We gotta find the right time to go in. Alright, let's go. No! Oh, I didn't die. Means no ramen. Okay, I'll try to use my carpet since I didn't really die. Then I'm gonna go back to the 11 again. Oh. Okay, chat. Time to think. How deep is your love? Yes! I made that! Easy, you dumb troller. Easy. Okay, we're getting to the next level already. I think it's time. Time to make that until the end. Yeah. I think when I'm gonna make that until the end, I'll be allowed to eat the whole pack of ramen. Like, it's so tasty. Also, the fun fact, every time I cook so great. Like anything, even at my first time. Like, I think it's some sort of like a talent, I guess. By the way, comment down below if you love ramen or not. Oh my god, next level. I also love to watch mukbangers. Like, I love mukbang. Yo, I'm on another level already. What? Chat, I've never played this tower. Wait, is that the end? Oh my god, I'm making it so fast. And there's no trollers. Yes. Yes, we're so good. We're almost at the end. Yo, look at it. My honest opinion, at least I'll try and I'll eat the ramen. Okay, I don't care if I die or not. Babes, it is so tasty. I wish each one of my viewers to eat the ramen. It's so good. Oh my god. Chat, my ramen noodles. Hello? Is she trolling or something, girl? What are you doing? Let me pass. Girl, let me pass. Don't be so like that. Come on. I think I'm quite allowed to use this carpet right now and get my revenge. Goodbye, dumb girl. Just goodbye. Stop being so mean. Anyways. Since we can't make this tower until the end because of the so many trollers, I'm just gonna eat it. You know, I died so many times already. It will be like a little mukbang for you guys. I want to apologize to every single Roblox content enjoyer for creating a new disease called Troll is a pinning tower. I bet each one of your favorite creators have made those Sigma face video getting revenge on somebody in Troll Tower. And as we all know, whenever a game becomes really famous, there'll be a tons of reposts coming up right now that are not that bad. So this game that we're going to try called Slap Tower or something, and I think I got recognized already. As you can see, this tower looks pretty normal. You have like a few levels right there that are coming up, and yeah, this is the level that everyone hates. And why this game become famous is because everyone has a slap thing right there. So like, if I'm gonna slap this person, is it a hacker?
I'm confuzzled.
Okay, anyways, so if I'm gonna try and slap him, yeah, you see? He has the same slap button as me! And this game is gonna be just the same as fighting or something, because I'm not ready to play rivals in a Troll is a pinning tower. But this game is actually crazy because I just got slapped. Like, bro, I haven't got slapped in that one last game. And what is he doing? Do not even try to click on that button, okay? Guys, do you want to have a fight or something like... I have a slap. He didn't even flew away. Is it that bad? What if I'm gonna buy like a giant war, or there's like a multiple of slaps? Like a green one? Oh my god! You nasty bro, what are you doing? Like, guys, stop! You fight with me, okay? Aboba! Uh-oh. Guys, you're getting on my nerves. Stop that. I want to find out what this huge one does. It costs 300 Robux. This game is pay to win, bro. Yeah, guys, I got the giant one. Oh! Ooh, I can slap them even more better now. Yo, everyone, move your hands. Stop following me. Yo, why does people follow me? Okay. I think this is gonna be my minions. Tonight, we steal the moon. Oh, I see the opportunity. Guys, yo. That's so evil. I'm on a level again. I see the Squid Game. Okay. No, Squid Game, dude. That's so evil of you. Good night. Yo, are we Sigmas? I am. Yes. Yeah, guys, we all know that we are Sigmas. Oh, I know it might be bad. Emily just flew away because of you. You dropped Emily! Who's gonna... Oh, he almost dead. You dropped Emily. Oh, you wanna say hi? Yeah. Oh! She wanna have fight. Come here. Oh, almost fell down. Oh, she fell down. Goodbye. Also, I just noticed that I might have know how to wall hop. Look, guys, film that, everyone. Are you ready, Hux? He's ready. 1, 2, 3, wall hop time. Oh, no bag, no bag. This is harassment. You definitely have to stop. I told you. Second time. What is happening to me? Not him running away. All those Squid Games people are be like the same. Do you agree, Emily? Guys, I just found out this game was made by the same group that have created the Trolls the Pinning Tower. How many many towers they have. Is it Monopoly or something? I'm curious about Troll Button Tower. I haven't played that one yet. Let's join. Anyways, I'm in already and this game looks the exact same as everyone else. Oh, people are talking there. Oh, people are using VC there. Oh.
Lily's my friend. Lily, my friend. I want to go. I'm really scared what you need.
Oh, she's so sweet. She's so sweet. Let's see her at the end, I guess so. Okay, what the hell is that? Actually, who have created this one? Yo, comic cap. I don't know. Like, do you see that?
What?
Those games are becoming even worse and worse. Like, yo, guys, do you see what's that? Do you like this level? Hi, are you okay?
You're a YouTuber.
Are you the YouTuber?
Yes, yes, guys.
Fan.
Oh, you're
I'm
a
a big
fan.
fan.
Oh, really? Thank you.
I am a fan.
Okay, so I'm a
Oh,
fan.
you're a fan.
Nee, hij heeft een kamer. Oké, het is prima. Hij heeft een kamer nu. Nee, ik vind het niet leuk. Hij heeft een kamer. Ik ben aan het...
You can marry me as a friend.
Guys, I think they're filming. This dude is filming right now, but that's so sweet. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, I don't say that too much, but I'm so thankful to each one of you who watch me right now because that's a huge support to me. Whenever I see you in the games, I'm like, I'm the most happiest person ever. I guess we have to make this thing to the end and we'll be done. Oh, okay. Well, I hope no one is gonna do something because I have nothing in there. Oh, everyone is coming. Oh my god, there's 2 buttons. And this dude is being so mean. I don't know if he's hacker or not, but like, that's so mean. No. Oh, I almost made that. No. What is laser? I'm gonna spend my Robux and this is gonna be the last part of this video. We gotta have our revenge. Oh, he's there, guys. Okay, I got the gun. Yeah, do you see him flying? Be ready, be ready. My aim. Oh, I can't do that. I can do it. Easy, yo, guys, we made that. W win. Today, I'll tell you one game on Roblox that every single player hates. Oh my god, you are not ready for this, guys. And here's that game. It calls Troll is a Pinning Tower. My first impression of this game was like, oh my god, this game is actually so nice. It's just some random hobbies that we have to do to get to the end, right? Nothing suspicious until, oh my god, until you see this sort of level. So this exact level, the level that everyone hates right now on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, maybe even Instagram Reels, who knows, bro. The most interesting part of this level, like, it's so basic. See, he's just jumping. And first you think, like, this level is easy, right? What did she do? Boop, boop, bow. You see what he did? He just tried to make her fall. This is why everyone talks about this game right now, because there's so many trollers, hackers, I don't know, Sigma players that not it. Oh my god, why this bro is so mad? Thanos, please, calm down. Anyways, the most interesting part that you have already noticed is I do have an admin commands and I do have so many stuff that we can play today with. As an example, this huge slap hand, and we can go and do this. But goodbye, Luca. I don't really have an idea on how we're going to use this admin command. We'll try to figure it out, okay? Wait, what is hot dance? Oh, it's HOTTOTO. You can take me hard to go. First I really want to become invisible. And I'll probably gonna go and hide my name. Yeah, cool. Your display name has been hidden from other players. So that's gonna be some sort of like a social experiment. So we have two sides. Do you see me? So we have two sides of this. Oh, you dirty boy. Oh. Karma got him. Oh, who's you, girl? What if I'm gonna call myself an admin? Okay, give me 1 second, bro. I just became an owner. I also have the check mark, so it looks so real, bro. I'll probably gonna go and maybe slap her at first because, oh my god, they're so weird. First, I want to rename this dude to something really bad just to make him mad. I just call him a noob, bro, and he does not see that. LOL. Hi, noob. This guy's probably looking at him and judging him, but his username even worse. Princess Baby Purple. What the hell is this? Oh, first that I really want to do to this guy, I'll probably gonna go and slap him. Like, I'm not flying right now, but you see this huge hand? Ma, goodbye, loser. That's what he deserves, okay? Bye. Look at her, she's so scared. You're making all these people so mad right now. Okay, look at what he does. That's so mean. That's so mean. Goodbye, loser. Yeah. Oh, she's scared she's gonna be next. Oh, she is gonna be next. But since she acted all this innocent and everything, I'll be even more
mean to her.
Alert player text. What is that? Oh my god, you need to leave now. Hackers are coming. Bye. Bye. This was so weird. People are getting so scared on the server. OMG. Oh. I'm running. Please. What can I else do? I want to do something even more mean. I can do a pose also. Okay, I'm going to be so mad. Anyways, so I'll probably gonna go and pull on Roro. Oh my god, this looks so mean. Should we ban Roro? Yes! No, he deserves to leave. Publish, bro. Okay, times go. Should we ban Roro? Yes! No, he deserves to leave. Okay, I'll probably gonna click yes. I want to see the answers. 5 people voted yes and did not vote 1 person. Oh my god. You're getting cooked today. Get ready with us to kill a Roblox player. After that, my screen just froze and I had to rejoin. But oh my god, I think I broke the game. I just hope I'm on the same server as before. I think I lost it. No way. No way. I'm trying to find this Roro person, but I can't find it nowhere. I think we lost him or her. No way. No way. Rest in peace, Roro. Rest in peace. I just saw this thing, like this Val Hub thing, and maybe I should do a little challenge right there. So what if, imagine if I'm going to teleport all them right there, and the first person who gets up right here gets nothing. The only thing that they will probably get is basically a huge slop. Oops. Yeah, as right now, I think that's gonna be so mean that we're going to do that one more time. Yeah, guys, come on, go, do it. Oh, well, I don't know why it worked like in a slow motion, but I don't care. I think that she will have so many traumas because of me. Like, no way. She just texting something. Please. No, thank you. I think that was so mean. I think I should probably gonna go and give her something to make her smile. Lisa, me. Oh, she's right there. Please. Sorry. Oh, she's gonna. Oh, she had this beautiful belly. It's okay. She's so sweet. I really want to slap her. Can I do it? It's just Roblox, right? I'm so sorry if you're watching this. I was actually just joking. Guys, have you seen that? Yeah, that's Albert's stuff. What he's doing here? Oh, little boy is getting out of hand too much.
Yeah.
Yo, I don't know what this dude does, but I guess this is like an exploiter and we're going to do something bad to him. I'm probably gonna first jail him. Oh! Yeah, see? Even if you in jail, you're now bald. Move, loser. Yeah, a loser. Hate you, actually. Look at this face. I didn't know that Roblox allowed to make these faces. Like, nah. Slap you. Hey guys!
So recently there's been a lot of tower games
that I haven't tried yet, and it's actually pretty interesting. Just let me show you. I found 2 towers that look pretty wild. One of them, they chose the button tower, has a pass called laser gun for 900 Robux. It's almost a 1,000, you know, it's not a cheap, guys. And there's also another game that was uploaded like a few seconds ago, like called Troll Bomb Tower. I don't really understand how it works, but as I see, we have a huge bomb in there and we're gonna try them. First, I wanna check up on Shooters game. Guys, the queen joined the game. Anyways, we're in the game already. So basically, this is the gun that I'm talking about. It means we can... He just fly? So it means we can go and shoot people. Oops! My aim? Oops! I just killed Johnny.
Ah!
Oh, did you just lag? Oh, I shot at them. Oh my god. Anyways, I gotta try to go to this annoying level. Each troll game has that one level, okay? So there's the people. Oh my god. He's so good at wall hopping, bro. I definitely have to try it too, okay? Lock in. Oh, wait! It did work for me, you know. Bro, why are you laughing at me? What did I do to you? Yeah, I'm bad at the game, so what? So what, do I need to leave?
Bomba clap!
Oh my god, Johnny.
Easy troll.
No! Johnny, this level is quite easy, okay?
Bomba clap, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Johnny. Should we go up?
Okay. Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.
Yeah, this tower is quite easy. I'm becoming more and more pro every single day.
Yes. Which one should we go?
I don't know.
Oh,
The right
W
one.
girl. Okay, we're playing rock, paper, scissors, okay?
Okay, how are we going to play that?
In 3, 2, 1, we are writing rock, paper, or scissors.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I won! Easy! Go on, Johnny.
Crazy, bro.
Go. They won't show you. Oh!
Easy.
It's good, it's good. Now it's my turn. Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
No, Johnny! Oh, what's that? Why did it become so much faster?
Because someone trying to troll Sigma Riz you.
Hey! Oh!
No!
I'm so sorry, Johnny. I meant to shoot him, not you. Okay, we're waiting for Johnny. Where's the Johnny?
Why are you keep trolling me?
No one chose you. Oh, this dude is gonna troll you. Good night.
Easy.
Should we go there? I see person.
I don't think so. He will troll.
You think?
Let me try, okay?
Okay.
Let me try. Watch and learn, okay?
Okay, we're watching. Oh. Oh. Did he just kill both of us? Johnny, me and you are dead.
Oh my god, they trolled me so bad. I am noob.
No, it's okay. Wait, we can do shortcuts. Look.
What is this?
Did someone fart?
It wasn't me, I swear.
Okay.
Sigma.
Okay, easy, little easy defense. Hop, hop, hoppa. Let's go. Bomba clat, bomba clat, bomba clat. Easy.
I like this tower. It's easy.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Oh! Wait, he's trying to troll you so bad. And he has also the gun. I
Yes.
missed. What should we do?
Yes, I don't really know. They wanna prank. Okay, watch and learn. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Bomba clat.
Did you just try to E-Left?
No. It's a glitch. Yeah.
Oh my god. Who's that?
Arontic, my friend Rich E-boy.
Hello?
Oh, Rich E-boy, right hand.
I'm confuzzled.
Yes, Bajar, this is Aruntik. She is my sister.
Oh,
I just got killed!
did you kill your own sister?
Yeah, yo,
Yes.
Johnny, what do you think if we're going to rejoin another game? It's called Bomb Tower.
Bomba clat. Let's go.
Okay, join me, guys.
Okay.
Why there is a random e-boy? Okay, not funny. Oh my god.
Bomba clat. I played this game yesterday.
Is it good?
Yes, I like it. I played it. I mean, I added a bomb to my game, and after I saw this game, and I was like, bomba clat. It also have a what's it called bomba clat.
Wait,
Okay,
what's
look,
that sound?
Let me cook. Let me cook.
Yeah, he did cook something, definitely, but I haven't seen that thing yet. What that bomb sound? What is that? Why there's a bridge and it just disappears randomly? Oh my god, I have the bomb?
Don't worry, I will help you.
What's that bomb? I just got a random bomb in my hands.
It's a bomba clat, skibili clat. Let's go. Easy.
No! I have no passes in this game, and I'm thinking about buying like the bomb thing. Huge bomb. Only 100 Robux. I mean, it's worth it. Okay, chat. I bought a huge bomb.
Aruntik, where are you?
I'm going back. Oh my god, look what I got, Johnny.
Oh, you are bomba clat.
Biscuit, turn it out!
Skibidi.
There's so many bombs. Did he just fall off? This game is actually crazy. Why does everyone have the random bombs? Yo, does anyone have a change with the bombs? Oh my god, I'm bombing.
You are so noob in this game, bro, I swear. Ah! Take it. Easy bomba clat.
Oh.
Run, Aruntik, run.
Oh god, I'm so scared of the bombs in this game.
Don't worry, I will protect you. Give me this bomba clat, I will protect you. Oh! No! Oh, yes, hurry. Skip the bomba clat. I don't know what's happening. So, Aruntik, now, Aruntik teached me how to wall hop. Now I'm gonna show you how to wall hop.
Oh, Real Rosa teaches you how to wall hop?
Yes, look. I'm gonna show you how to wall hop, okay?
Okay,
3,
come on.
2, 1, let's go.
God, I'm so tired of these bombs. Okay, guys, I think this is the video is coming to the end because I have no idea. This game is so hard. With the bombs and everything, I need a huge nerves to do that. Say bye to me and say bye to Johnny. Where's the Johnny at?